One thing that kind of drives me crazy is that people come in and they spend a whole bunch of money on services, injectables, Botox, maybe even facelift surgery, laser, anything that gets done here. And then they tell me that they're using oil of Olay or some sort of drugstore cream. It's so important that if you're going to be paying attention to your appearance, you've got to really get quality skincare. And that means medical grade skincare. My line that I have here that I work very closely with a chemist from Yale University and developing is just that. It's something that has been biopsy proven, tried and true time and time again. It's gonna allow you to get improvement in the quality, tone, and texture of your skin, and it's gonna maintain youthful skin. It's gonna actually go to the depths of your dermis, and it's going to affect changes that are going to give you long-term lasting results.